guys! Welcome back to my channel mga kachikang. So ito na guys, ang latest update sa ating showbiz chika PS Yassi Pressman sa kanyang IG post. Panay na ang workout kasama ng squad kasi kailangan na niya mag-exercise para sa kanyang movie. Narito ating tunghayan.
For a while, but it's time. It's time to get back to my old self. I gotta stay healthy, so I gotta stay boosted every day with NutriBoost.
Been on workation for a little too long. I think now it's time to prepare for my new movie, More Than Blue. Kailangan na mag-exercise araw-araw, ika pa ni Yassi. Nakakaya ng COVID, NutriBoost din ang araw-araw vitamin B6, E, and zinc helps strengthen my immunity and vitamin B3. That helps me combat fatigue. It's sure to keep you and me boosted all day. At from Casey Conception, Babs, grabe naman yung bahay mo, complete. Sana next movie niya ay action naman, gaya yung nasabi niya na ala Angelina Jolie sa Soul, sabi naman ng isang netizen. At ito naman kuha sa dinner nila with Pinky Tobiano at sa farm San Benito. Ayan, makikita ang kanilang mga pag-workout. Go, yes! Show them what you got. Ika naman isang pang netizens. Tinatamad ako mag-module. Baka kailangan ko ng NutriBoost. Ang gagaling at mga sexy body. I love all of them, girls. Ha, locomotion. We causing a commotion. From Elena V Films. Yes, may aabangan na naman kami, Yassi Love. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Yassi. Dapat drama na lang, More Than Blue. Ayan, makikita natin kung paano mag-workout si Yassi. Ang galing talaga. Kayang-kaya niya lahat ang gawin ng pag-workout. Kahit napagod na, sige pa rin. Akyat dito, boxing dito. Ayan, nakakatuwa kasama ng kanyang mga kaibigan. Kaya naman, nag-e-enjoy siya. Ayan, Yassi Pressman bida sa Pinoy movie remake na More Than Blue. Hataw pa rin sa project si Yassi Pressman. Ito naman ang IG post ni Isa Pressman. Yassi Presscon, heart, love. Yan ang gusto ko sa iyo, Yas. Napakabait, saka very straight to the point sumagot. Yassi, di ko alam kung sasagutin mo to ha. Pero bakit di ka sumali sa Miss You? You got the body, the attitude, the face, the hair,
for watching
the brain.
guys, yan po ang ating latest update sa ating Chika News for today. Thank you for watching. See you again for my next vlog. Mwah.
Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you again.